Greetings, it's Will from StormTheCastle.com, and you are watching the Cardboard Da Vinci YouTube channel. Thanks for tuning in. And listen, it's the first of the year 2020, January 1, 2026. And I'm all excited because I've got big plans for this YouTube channel. Got a lot of things I want to do. Got a lot of projects, a lot of ideas. Really, I'm just bursting with stuff. I've got a notebook full of things that I want to get done for this channel. And one of them is an ambitious project, whereas I want to make an illuminated manuscript. Like a medieval book with those beautiful medieval books. I'll pop in a couple of pictures here for you to see. And I want to keep it as pure as possible, which means I want to also make my own paper. And I've made paper before, but not like real good paper. I want to make some really good paper. And one of the things you need for that is you need some kind of a press to press down the paper to get it, well, I hate to say it, well, paper thin. So I had ordered, almost a month ago now, I had ordered a hydraulic. You can buy a paper press, but they're very expensive. I ordered I said, I can work around this. I ordered a hydraulic press that like mechanics use in shops. It costs $120. It's a pretty good deal. But they sent me the wrong one. Something went wrong. I need one that has a gauge on it so I can gauge the amount of pressure I'm going to be putting on the paper. And the one I received has no gauge. So something went wrong. They sent me the wrong one. So I have to send this one back and get another one. And this really slows down my process of making paper and making an illuminated manuscript, but that's okay. There's a good lesson in perseverance here because this is my first road bump on this project. Just like the stained glass night or many other projects, you get road bumps, you get setbacks and whatnot, but perseverance is the key. So stay tuned. I just wanted to show you this. I thought it was going to be a fun unboxing video. Ended up to be a disappointment. No pressure gauge. That's okay. Stay tuned. I'll have more about this. I got a whole bunch of stuff coming. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up.